here today at Georgetown Loop Railroad in Georgetown, Colorado. My name is Brian Inglis. I'm with SEH, Bridge Inspector out of the West Region in Structural Engineering Practice. We're out here with Robert Dantzman today, and we are inspecting the Devil's Gate High Tower Bridge, which needs to be inspected up close and personal every 2 years.
So we're out here with the Skydio 2 Plus. It has 6 cameras on it, as well as the main camera for obstacle avoidance. So it allows us to get within inches of the structure if we need to get really clear video and make sure that everything is performing as it should be. With the drone, we're able to view on the iPad in real time, looking at all the critical points of interest, and also record this information, review it more in depth on a bigger screen than an iPad. Controlled environment without the glare.
Yeah, we'll be able to submit the video as a deliverable to the railroad as well. It's a really valuable tool getting up close, so we don't have to deal with platforms or rope access techniques. Being an hour away from Denver, it's a great spot to come up in the fall and kick off our fall inspections.